Hello everyone, my name is Anamika and welcome back to another video on BYJUS Academic Specialist. Now this video is going to be a guide on how you can use your pen tab, how you can connect your pen tab with the laptop, how to install the driver link and how to use this to write and doodle, that too hassle free. So if you're interested in knowing the same, I will suggest you to keep watching the video till the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Now, let's get straight into the video. So here is the pen tablet. You have to connect it to your laptop. Make sure you're connecting it directly and not using the USB hub port. This is going to be the left and this is going to be the right side. Now just search for huion driver download. Okay, huion driver download. You have to search this and you have to click onto the first link that you will get. Now the link will take you to their website. Just scroll down and here you will have to select your product model. Okay, now you can easily find the model of your product on the packaging box. So you have to select any one of these. You'll have to look which model they have sent you. Okay, so I will be selecting this one. So you will get the driver link on the bottom, but not now because first you need to select the Windows option and then you have to submit this along with your model number. Now here you will see that the drivers are here. So these are the two drivers for the model number which I have selected. Okay, this model number. Now you have to just click onto this download. You can download either of them. Okay. Here you can see that the file is downloading and it is a zip file. So you will need to extract it using, the extractor. The extractor which I'm using is the WinRAR. Now the download is complete. So I will open this file. Then I will start extracting. You'll see that it has extracted. You have to select yes. Then here it is saying, the computer is telling that the version that you downloaded was old. So either you can, just continue with the old version or you can uninstall this and download the other driver link which was there. But I'm continuing with the old one. So here the installation just got completed. Now I will open the application. Here is the view of our pen tab. Go to the digital pen. Then make sure both these boxes of game mode and mouse mode are unchecked. Okay, now you are good to go. So it's time to practice. Just open the Paint application on your laptop so that you can, just doodle. So here I will start doodling with the help of this pen. Now you can doodle whatever you want. I'm just writing my name because I couldn't think of anything else. So now when you will, try to write, you will experience difficulties. Especially you will experience that your handwriting looks like, I don't know what to call it. It will look as if you are writing with your feet. So I will share a trick with you all which will make your handwriting look much better. Okay. So what you can do is that avoid looking onto the pen tab while you are writing. If you will look down, you will get confused. Okay. You have to look to the screen. Look on the screen, look onto the cursor which is there. Okay. Cursor of the pen which you are holding and looking onto the screen, then write. Okay, don't look down. You will get very confused and your handwriting will look very bad. So this was the little trick. So you can just, now go and practice about it. So I hope you like the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and I'll keep sharing more of such videos. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.